Welcome to TechCaliber channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow startup time or slow boot time on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you need to do is just go to your taskbar, right-click on your taskbar, and then go to Task Manager. Then just maximize your Task Manager. After that, what you need to do is click here on the hamburger menu, then go to Startup Apps. And inside Startup Apps, what you need to do is just right-click and disable all of the apps which you don't want to start up whenever you turn on your PC. And after you do that, you can close your taskbar. Just make sure you have scanned all the apps, and whichever you don't need, just right click on them and click on disable. After that, just close your task manager. After that, what you want to do is just go to your search bar and search for settings. Then just open up settings. Then from here on the left hand menu, just click on Windows Update. And from here, just click on check for updates. Then just wait, it will check for the latest updates available for you. There you go, it has found the latest update available for me. I can just click on download and install, and it is always recommended to keep your Windows updated. And just do this. After you have done this, just go to your this PC. And after you go to this PC, just make sure your system drive is not full. Mine is almost full, so I need to clean it. To clean it, what I need to do is just close this. After that, just go to the start button. Just right click on the start button, then click on run. And inside run, what I need to type is clean mgr, that is CLEN mgr, which stands for clean manager, and click on OK. Then just select the drive which you want to clean. I want to clean my C drive because it is my system drive, and click on OK. Then just wait. And in this menu, you have to make sure you have ticked every single one of them. Then just click on clean up system files. Then just click on OK again. Then just wait. After that, make sure you have selected everything, and then just click on OK. Then click on delete files. Then just wait, it will start to clean your drive for you. And while this is happening, we can just go to our next step. Just go to the start button, right click on it, then click on run. And in here, type appwiz.cpl, which is appwiz.cpl. Then just click on OK. Now, just maximize this window. Now from here, you can just uninstall the softwares which you don't need. You can sort them by size, and you can delete the ones which have the maximum size and which you don't need. And that's basically it. Then just wait for this cleanup to complete. And done. And that is how to fix slow boot time or slow startup issue on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.